Hello traders, welcome back. Today we are looking at GoldBaron XAUUSD EA for MT5. This one has been making some serious noise on MQL5. The developer claims it turned $96 into almost 2000% profit in just 6 months on a real account. And they are calling it a breakthrough with their new ACE trend indicator and AI filtering. Sounds impressive, right? But as always, we are going to cut through the hype and see what's really going under the hood. And this is the ACE trend indicator I was talking about, which this EA is based on. Now, this EA is built around this indicator, and the seller says it finds real patterns without curve fitting. This is what he says, and it combines 10 complementary subsystems. We're talking about different angles on momentum, volatility, price action around these ACE trend levels. When enough of them line up, when enough of these complementary subsystems line up, the trade gets considered. Then this deep AI filter acts as the final bouncer that kills off the bad signals. Entries are basically waiting for confluence. Then it rides the move with dynamic stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop. You can tweak all of this with coefficients between 0.5, as you can see, and 1.5. Looking at the chart images of the EA, we have some chart images all lined up here. You can see catching some nice trends on gold, big greens runs, but also sitting through some decent sized red candles without panicking. It clearly loves strong trading markets and explosive breakouts. The thing is, it can hold position for days, sometimes hoping for continuation or even a reversal on losers. It's not a scalper, but it's not a pure greed, but more of a trend catching system with AI polish on top. So you can see it can hold trades for days, for some time. This is how it looks, and that's all from the seller, the developer. Now let's talk about the settings. The most important one by far is, these are the settings. The most important one by far is the money management selection. You've got modes from investor and prop trader 5% all the way up to gambler. That gambler mode with negative lot values basically turns into leverage on steroids. That's where the crazy growth comes from, but also the blow up risk. And other useful settings include the deep AI filter. This one just helps cut false entries. We also have the volatility filter. We also have random levels for prop firms, and this one is a clever little trick to shift stop loss and take profit levels slightly so prop firms don't flag you for copying. We also have the Friday close. It's excellent because it stops you getting caught in weekend gaps. That's all for the settings. Now I had the opportunity to run my own backtest from early 2025 to today, which is the 20th of April 2026, and it was on a $10,000 starting balance on a 99% modeling quality. And here's what I discovered: the total net profit is just over $6.6 million, and the profit factor is 3.43. win rate is around 65%. Recovery factor is 6.24. But when you look at the equity curve, it's not a straight rocket. You can see long steady climbs here, especially during the strong gold trends, but then these noticeable drawdowns around here. And the max equity drawdown hit 14.56%, with one single losing trade knocking out over $590,000. That's the kind of move that can wipe out months of profit in one shot. Now, when you compare that to the developers' real accounts signal, they show roughly 1900% growth from $96, but the signal has a max equity drawdown close to 80% at some points, with warnings saying large drawdowns may happen again. Their win rate sits around at about 57%, lower than the backtest. And honestly, this is classic for these gold trend systems. And the backtest looks insane, especially during bull runs, but live trading brings slippage, spreads, and real volatility that can make drawdowns feel much worse. Yeah, bottom line, GoldBaron can deliver explosive moves in strong trading gold markets, but the catch is those big single losses and higher live drawdowns. It is quite sensitive to broker spreads and needs a proper ECN or raw spread account. There's no hard martingale, and the aggressive modes and selections acts as hidden leverage. It's best suited for experienced prop traders who understand drawdown psychology and can stomach 30 to 80% equity swings without touching the EA. If you're chasing fast growth for prop challenges and you pick the right money management mode, the prop tools, which is the random levels and the Friday close, all of these are genuinely helpful. So who should stay away? I would say beginners, anyone with low risk tolerance, or people who hate watching big red candles sit open for days. If an 80% drawdown warning on the signal makes your stomach turn, this one isn't for you at all. Now, I advise you test it properly on a demo first. You never risk money you can't afford to lose. You can see it holding trades for days. This trade was opened on the 17th February and closed on the 25th February. Although it closed in a little profit, but it held on for days, even in all of this swing happening right in the middle. The EA loves to hold trades and be winners or even losers. You can hold all of them for days. You can see this one took a loss here. You can see these profits recorded here, and all of these ones just were held on for a longer period. Yeah. So that's my honest take on the GoldBaron EA. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried it? Let me know. And see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.